right, gang, what's shaking? Here we go. Night before the trip. I got this beast all packed up and ready to go. I've probably got about, I don't think I have 1,000 pounds in it, including some, because I'm gonna have a passenger, and then I've got that bed pretty amped up. I've got a lot of stuff in it. I've got some bag boards, playing cornhole out in AZ, and I've got a lot of equipment back there. I've got 3-4 suitcases. I've probably got about 400, 450 in weight back there. And then I'll have a passenger and then another one. So, probably like 900 pounds, 900 pounds or so. It's supposed to be 7 degrees in the morning when we leave. And the wind is supposed to be bad. So I think conditions are probably as bad as I was unfortunately hoping they wouldn't be. So, all that being said, it's going to be an adventure. Excited to take off. It's going to be probably about a 5,000-mile trek in this electric vehicle. And we'll see what happens. Who knows? Don't know. I got no idea what's going to happen, baby. No idea. But we're going to have fun, and we're going to check it out, and we'll keep you updated. We'll keep you posted. I'll let you know how what the range is like, what the charging conditions are like, what's weather like. Weather doesn't look that great. I'm cautiously optimistic about the weather, but I don't know. It's supposed to be pretty under 32, pretty much all the way to almost Arizona. So we'll see how it goes. Thanks for tuning in. And remember, not a tree hugger. Peace!